সকলোলৈ মোৰ চেনেলটোলৈ স্বাগতম থাকিল। আজি মই তোমালোকক B.SC Nursing এক্সামত কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কুৱেশ্যন আহিব পাৰে তাৰে এটা আভাস দিব ওলাইছোঁ। প্ৰথমতে বায়'লজি ক্লাছ 11ৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট আৰু ছেকেণ্ড চেপ্টাৰটো আজি আৰম্ভ কৰিম। তাৰে কিছু ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কুৱেশ্যন দিম, সেইবোৰ তোমালোকে পঢ়িলে নিশ্চয় এক্সামটি পাছ কৰাত সহায় হ'ব। Question number 1. Which of the following are unique features of living organisms? A. Growth and reproduction. B. Reproduction and ability to sense environment. C. Metabolism and interaction. D. All of the above. The fungi, the filamentous algae, the protonema of mosses all easily multiply by A. Budding, B. Fission, C. Regeneration, D. Fragmentation. Systematics refers to A. Identification and classification of plants and animals. B. Nomenclature and identification of plants and animals. C. Diversity of kinds of organisms and their relationship. D. Different kinds of organisms and their classification. Which of the following is not a characteristic of life? A. Reproduction. B. Complex chemical organization. C. Adaptation to environmental changes. D. Differentiation from cells to tissue. The famous Botanical Garden Kew is located in A. England, Lucknow, Berlin, Australia. Each statement in the K is called A. Lead, B. Catalogs, C. Manuals, D. Monographs. Herbarium is a garden where medicinal plants are grown, garden where herbaceous plants are grown, dry garden, chemical to kill plants. Each category of taxonomic hierarchy refers to as a unit of A. Systematic, B. Identification, C. Nomenclature, D. Classification. In printed scientific names, only the dash is capitalized. A. Class, B. Species, C. Genus, D. Family. Organisms of which of the following kingdom do not have nuclear membrane? A. Protista, B. Fungi, C. Monera, D. Plantae. Which group of fungi is commonly known as imperfect fungi? A. Phycomycetes, B. Ascomycetes, C. Basidiomycetes, D. Deuteromycetes. The symbiotic association between fungi and algae is called A. Lichen, B. Mycorrhiza, C. Rhizome, D. Endomycorrhiza. The genetic material of virus includes A. Only RNA, B. Only DNA, C. RNA and DNA both, D. RNA or DNA, that is one nucleic acid in a virus. Which of the following characteristics are used by Whittaker for the classification of organisms? A. Mode of nutrition. B. Thallus organization. C. Phylogenetic relationships. D. All the above. Protista are single-cell eukaryotes, multicellular eukaryotes, single-cell prokaryotes, single-cell eukaryotes. Which of the following pigment is present in cyanobacteria? A. Chlorophyll A, B. Chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C, or chlorophyll D? Which of the following is the smallest living cell and can live without oxygen? Mycoplasma, mycorrhiza, euglena, or trypanosoma?